Hey everyone, it's Kim, the Homeschooling Grammy. Today we are going to be doing an unboxing of our Sonlight curriculum. If you're interested, stick around. We're going to get started. The box open and I took out all the papers and all the stuff that was in there, and so let's get started. So the first thing on the top of the box is the science supplies kit for science, and I am going to do some videos here in the real near future telling us what we're going to be using for 5th grade, so I'll get more in depth of what everything's going to be per subject, that kind of thing. All I'm doing today is just showing you what's in this box. So anyways, this Discover and Do Science kit is in here. A new Sonlight bag, which is really nice. Might give it away though. Yeah, I already have one from last year and I didn't use that one. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, packing slip. I like this, it's kind of fun. Congratulations, it's Sonlight Box Day, yay! And there is actually, this is really cool, there wasn't one of these last year. A little magnet for your refrigerator. Need homeschool help? Experienced Sonlight advisors are here to help you. And I have to say that they are. And no, I am not sponsored or any of that kind of thing. We use Sonlight because we love it. But this will be on my refrigerator. Okay. Also, new this year, I guess, is a divider, and it has the months of the year, and I think this is for, my light is flashing. This is for, I'm having a brain cramp right now. Anyways, to keep track of, you know, all of your stuff that you're doing. I'm having a brain cramp. Did you ever do that? I do that a lot. It's kind of scary, actually. The timeline figures. A Child's Introduction to Poetry. More papers. Let's see. We also have Great in Counsel and Mighty Indeed. Sing the Word. The Lewis and Clark Expedition by Richard L. Neuberger. The Skiprack School by Marguerite DeAngeli. Carry On, Mr. Bodwitch by Jean Lee Latham. American Indian Prayer Guide by Donette Malouf with Dean Cousins. I hope I'm getting those names right. The Beginner's American History from Christopher Columbus to John Sutter. Timmy O'Dowd and the Big Ditch, A Story of the Glory Days on the Old Erie Canal by Len Hiltz. And if you're wondering, I ordered the 4-day. I didn't do the 5-day this year. I decided that I needed to scale back a little. The 5-day was going to be too much. This is Sarah Plain and Tall by Patricia McLachlan. Robert Fulton, Boy Craftsman by Marguerite Henry. Pocahontas and the Strangers by Claude Robert Beulah. The Courage of Sarah Noble by Alice Dalglish, I guess. Probably just butchered that. Squanto, Friend of the Pilgrims by Clyde Robert Beulah. Johnny Tremaine, A Story of Boston in Revolt by Esther Forbes. Sorry about that. Let me see if I can get the... There we go. Tolliver's Secret, The Country Was Counting on Her by Esther Wood Brady. Justin Morgan Had a Horse by Marguerite Henry. I'm sorry for the glare. I apologize. Amcasto, Blackfeet Twin Captures an Elk Dog by Kenneth Thomasma. Yeah, Thomasma, I guess that is. And it says it's autographed. Really? That's what it says. The next book is The Sign of the Beaver by Elizabeth George Spear. Swift Rivers by Cornelia Meggs. Adoniram Judson, Bound for Burma by Janet and Jeff Benn. The Witch of Blackbird Pond by Elizabeth George Spear. Walk the World's Rim by Betty Baker. A True Book, The Constitution of the United States by Christine Taylor Butler. The Bill of Rights by Christine Taylor Butler. Phoebe the Spy, Judith Berry Griffin. North American Indians by Marie and Douglas Gorsline. The Thanksgiving Story by Alice Dalglish. I believe that's how you say that name. More paper. Get out of here. The Magic School Bus Inside the Human Body. The Landmark History of the American People from Plymouth to the West, Volume 1. My dog is thinking about barking. Hopefully he won't go off. Topps Learning System, Green Thumbs, Radishes, Activity Sheet Series. Topps Green Thumbs, Corn and Beans, Activity Sheet Series. Incredible Creatures That Defy Evolution, Part 1. And that's a DVD. Inquisikids Discover and Do Level 3 Science. The New International Reader's Version, Discoverer's Bible, Large Print Bible for Early Readers. Sarah Witcher's Story by Elizabeth Yates. Real Science for Kids Biology, Level 1. Usborne's Mysteries and Marvels of Nature. The Sonlight Homeschool Planner. Remember the word I couldn't remember earlier? Oh, I don't know what to say. But anyways, so here's the planner, and the dividers are somewhere around here. I don't know where I just set them down. But anyways, they have a planner that you get with your curriculum. I'm not sure if I'm going to use this or not. I don't even know what it looks like. Haven't looked at it. I will let you know. Next is D.K. Smithsonian, American History, a Visual Encyclopedia. This is a nice book. For real. Some more papers. And here is the instructor's guide. And this is Cordy or and biology, taxonomy, and human anatomy. And Core D, Intro to American History, year 1 of 2. And there you have it. That's all that's in the box. Hey everyone, I hope that this video was a blessing to you. I cannot wait to really get into the meat and potatoes of what we are going to be doing for 5th grade for the 2022-2023 homeschool year. Stick around, videos are coming, and I'm going to let you know there are going to be some changes and there's going to be some things that are staying the same. So God bless, take care, and I will talk to you soon.